What's up, guys? It's your boy, and we are on this. As you can see, we are on this Madden Mobile. Now, what I'm gonna do? Season game. We're gonna receive, of course. So, guys, leave at the bottom of the comment if you want to play anything else. I have a lot of games, So, let's go. Okay, so they're kicking off. No, look, I'm not as good overall as all the other YouTubers. So we accepted the penalty. Sorry for my hand being in the way. Okay, so successfully juicing it. We have a Christian McCaffrey about to use. Jesus! Holy cow! So we failed. Well, I don't really care. But if you seen that truck, man, I let him fly. I got a 82 on Brady, an 82 Odell Beckham Jr. My team is back. Oh, Beckham touchdown, touchdown, touchdown! Odell Beckham Jr. So Funches, Devin Funches right here. This Devin's. Told y'all. They say, "Little mama, where you been?" And I just passing the breeze. I've been running up a chick to spuddy. You know me. I bet you man, but I'm gonna take him to see. I'm playing upside down. So we get second down and incomplete pass. Oh yeah, guys. Just to let you know, my football team. I just started YouTube. Interception. Let's go. So Christian McCaffrey about to take off. Truck time. Okay, so we took it down at the. So taking down at the 8 yards, 2 yards left. TB, T Breezy, Tom Brady. Ooh, super win. Truck time, baby. Let's get it, dog. Okay. I repeat, 4 million. Jay, hold on. Can I go without touching? Nuts. Tasting your nuts. Okay. Okay. So I can't move. But, oh my god, I killed myself. But good thing. Hold on. Throat. Okay, so we started at the 20 something. Interception again. Floyd is going off. That's touchdown. Pick six all day. Gang. They say, little normal when you been in the fast and breathe. See McCaffrey, man. Okay, kicking off. That's inbounds. Let's go. Sorry for that noise, guys. I was watching a movie, putting some packs while watching a movie, and the movie was going on. So, oh yeah, guys. I will start. Just give me apps, y'all. Like I said in the beginning, give me some apps. But I will start Football Heroes season. Remember that Rules of Survival and Goat Simulator? So they get the first. But I don't really care. I can hit 40 if I want. Come on. No, why? Oh, jeez. That is second. In the second. They got ball. Again. Alright, we can hit. Come on, Floyd. Ooh. But I like the 2-hit. Double hit because, Ogletree and Floyd was trying to go for him. That's mine. Y'all, you ever seen that coming? Let me know in the comments. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. Y'all see that? YouTube with Beckham to end the fifth for third. Huh. Alright, come on, okay. I missed the whole dude. Oh my god. Guys, okay, so we're in the flat zone. Over to run up in there. Okay, number 70 is going off. I forgot his name. Something. So it's a turnover, guys. Let's get it. I just got that. Short time. Leave him alone. I'm trucking somebody. Heck no. I'm trucking somebody. You, matter of fact. Dang, bruh. So right now, guys, my friends are just texting me on Snapchat. And I'm like, dude, I'm not trying to talk to you. I'm in the middle of my video. Alright, so we're going to do a AP dive. 8 seconds left. We're going to score. Touchdown. Bang! Oh! And then the hurdle. Oh my god. Jeez. Hogan. Halloween Hogan. Bah! Killed you. Yes, he is. Negro. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you my team before I end this video, so y'all will know next game. But I will, like, if I'm about to open the pack, I will show you. So yeah guys, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Season pack. That's the reason why sometimes, I mean, I will play a season, but if I don't play one, it's like, that's the reason why. Okay, so my team at Atlanta. Okay, so this is my lineup. I got Odell Beckham Jr. Okay, I got Odell Beckham. I have Tom Brady. My whole lineup is up here is gold. My whole offensive line is gold. 78 Halloween Hogan. What's his name? Turmeric Hemingway is my tight end. Trey Carson is my fullback. Christian McCaffrey, 78 overall. I got that in the Halloween pack. But it doesn't show the thing right there. I don't know why. Devin Funches. Defense, I have Anthony Brown, whole defensive line, and defensive end, safety. Well, really, the whole backfield is gold. Except the silver player, Andre Phillips. But the rest of the whole backfield gold. Two of these. Okay, so, now look. No lie, on everything I love, my mom. So, marketplace. We're going to the auction, and we're going to type in Shaq Lawson. My cousin, his friend name is Hezekiah Lawson. And his brother is Shaq Lawson. Now, I don't know why he just made this face on this, but he said he did that. So we're about to buy Shaq. And continue. And we're going to use Shaq in the game in the next video. Okay, guys, so let's go to my team. Let me show y'all what I'm about to do now. This might be a dumb decision. So, Let me know if it was stupid. Okay, I like the Panthers. I'm not really a Buccaneers fan. I'm gonna put him in. End of discussion. Shaq has gotta go in. Okay, so I put Shaq in, right? I'm gonna go to sell marketplace again. Okay, sell. I'm gonna sell this player. I'm gonna sell this player, this player, this player. Okay, get my money. Dang, let's go. Okay, so I got my money. And next game, we're gonna use them. So my team. Well, let's go see if we can train some players. Oh, they're gonna be there. Still can't be trained. So I'm pretty mad. I need to start saving these players. And Odell, he adds a 3 speed to every single player. Like Tom Brady is actually fast in this game. Odell Beckham Jr. 85 overall. Thank you for helping me get Tom Brady's speed up. Because me and Tom was the only one. See, now he has a 72. It was like a 60 something. Like, look, still offensive lineman speed. Oh, you're not that fast. Defensive ends, they speed is pretty quick. His is definitely a little quicker than Tom's. His is for sure. But I think Shaq is like the fastest player in my lineup. Nah, he a 91. Yeah. I'm not really a Cowboys fan either. But shout out to all you Cowboys fans. That's kind of crazy that Odell got lower overall. I was surprised when I seen that. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. Peace. Give me some ideas for next videos. Give me head-to-heads. I'll do more seasons than head-to-head. Give me head-to-head videos, comments. Just give me ideas at the bottom in the comment section. Smack that thumbs up like button. No, if you put a thumbs down, you a hater. All right, guys. So peace, bro. Peace, gang. Let's go.